Hello dear friend, there is an update for Oxy for DaVinci Resolve 20. Now DaVinci Resolve 20.1 is available for downloading, dear friend. In today's tutorial we will download the new version of DaVinci Resolve 20. In today's download tutorial we will download DaVinci Resolve 20.1, and thereafter we will go through all the features, some important new and hidden features of DaVinci Resolve 20 series. Some features are so much hidden that you will use DaVinci Resolve for the whole year, but you can't know how to use these new features. These features are inside DaVinci Resolve in the internal settings of DaVinci Resolve. That's why we can't know. In today's tutorial we will see these hidden features, new features of DaVinci Resolve. All parts are very important, dear friend. In this video, don't miss any part of the video. If you go through the whole video without missing any part of the video, at the end of this update tutorial video, you will be able to understand DaVinci Resolve 20 very well. I guarantee this. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, dear friend. Your one subscription motivates me a lot to make more creative tutorial for you. Without wasting time, let's jump into our PC to download the new version of DaVinci Resolve and thereafter go through all the new features, etc, dear friend. Hello dear friend, now we are inside DaVinci Resolve 20 here. For this update, come here, you see in this corner DaVinci Resolve, just click here and now come here for check for update, click here and now you can see this is our update available DaVinci Resolve 20.1. if you want to download later, just click here skip, but we want to download just now, download now. Okay, now you can see here, just click here. According to your browser you will see the file here. Here you can see download DaVinci Resolve 20.1. Windows.zip file. This is the 8.0.4 GB heavy file, so it depends upon the speed of internet, dear friend. Within 10 minutes you will be able to download this. Just click save here, dear friend. Now we are downloading DaVinci Resolve 20.1. very soon we will be inside DaVinci Resolve 20.1, the new version, and go through all the new exciting features, dear friend. Stay connected in the class. Here we have downloaded the file here, just click here. Okay, now we are at the file location here, just click extract all file here, just on default location extract all. Now we are copying file here. Now we have extracted the file here. We just click here to download, run as admin here. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click yes. Now we are extracting all files here. Okay, DaVinci Resolve installer available here. You have to click all dependencies software to download. Just click all and install now. Installing DaVinci Resolve control panel. Wait, installing pre-installation cleanup. Wait, this operation could take some time here. Okay, welcome to DaVinci Resolve setup wizard here. Next, accept the agreement here. Just click next. Or now install. Updating component registration etc here, copying new files. Okay, we have just finished. Now just click here, installation complete. Now we open DaVinci Resolve here. Now just click here to project. So we have already project here, editing project. Just open here. Hello dear friend, now we are in the new version of DaVinci Resolve here. You can now check here. Now this is our new version DaVinci Resolve 20.1. okay, now let's go through all the new features of DaVinci Resolve 20 series update here. In this update of DaVinci Resolve 20 here, the most important update is about the cache management. You know, DaVinci Resolve creates lots of cache files and your system becomes slow. You have to delete manually all files etc or medias, cache files etc. But after this update, DaVinci Resolve can automatically delete all these cache files. For these settings, you have to come here. You see here, we are here in DaVinci Resolve here. Click here DaVinci Resolve and come here. You see preference, control plus comma is shortcut. Just click here. Now come here for cache management. You see user system. We have to come to user here. In user, come here cache management. Now you can see here I have 14 days, but I will not wait. In 14 days my system will be very slow. I want to delete every day after editing. So we will just write here 1. Okay, we will delete our file every day. If you use DaVinci Resolve and you edit video regularly, don't forget to make all these settings here. So come here and write 1 and save. Now it's a save every day. DaVinci Resolve will delete cache files from our system. Okay, now the next update is about now we can define media location when creating new project. Let's see how it works. Now come here in the corner here, you see here home. Here just click here. Otherwise when you create you will find this icon. No, I want to create new project, just click here, new project. Okay, now I can name new project here DaVinci tutorial, and now we can define our own location. We can create on our folder, on our D drive, F drive, anywhere, and from here we can change location. So all our media will be stored in our desired location. So for example, I have this change location. I can change location. Will come here. I will take any location here. Okay, I take this folder here. Now select. Okay, create. Now we have created a timeline defining our own location. So it's a very good that you have more control on DaVinci Resolve, and you have the internal control on DaVinci Resolve regarding the file, folder, cache management, etc. The next feature is about extra download manager. For this, come here, you see DaVinci Resolve here. Just click here, extra download manager. Just click here. Now you can see this is the extra download manager. If you have not downloaded AI feature, for example, AI voice training, extended AI transcription, language support, you can download directly. You can go to my playlist to see how to download AI voice training and extended AI transcription language support. If you have studio version, you can download these AI features. For this, we have extra download manager. So in this way, just click here and you can just avail this manager from here. Download all. If you want to delete, just click here. From here, you can directly delete. From here you can delete, and here we have hide download package. If you want to hide, I don't want to hide. If you don't like later, you can delete from here. You can see AI voice training is taking 4.92 GB place on your computer. Extended AI transcription language support is taking 1.50 GB place on your computer. So be careful. So I use these two features because I have a studio version, so I use. That's why I have downloaded all these two packages. So we have extra download manager. Go to the playlist and see how to download and use this AI voice training and extended AI language support. Now in the new update of DaVinci Resolve, we have pop-up dialog to show connected control panel of DaVinci Resolve Black Magic. So if you have bought any keyboard editor or speed editor, color panel, color control panel, etc. from Blackmagic, and these are connected to your computer, you can see here. For this, come here, you see here icon. We have 3 icons. Before this update, we had only 2 icons. Now we have 3 icons. Just click here. Now you can see I have speed editor connected to our system. It's just showing us. If you have any DaVinci Resolve product, control panel, etc., you can very easily see here. This is a very small feature, but it's a very handy. It's a confirming that DaVinci Resolve control panel is connected to your computer, to DaVinci Resolve. If any problem, it will be not showing here. So it's a confirming me. A speed editor is connected to my computer. Now there is a small change and update regarding font for text plus. Let's see how it works. Come here, you see corner here, DaVinci Resolve. Click preference here. Now in preference, come to editing here. You see here, user, come to user, editing. In editing, you can see here text display only a specific fonts. Now you can display only specific fonts with which you want to work. For example, if you have on your computer any specific font, just click here and browse from here. You see here, I don't use this font because I use default font of DaVinci Resolve, but you can do. If you have anywhere on your computer, just take the folder, select, and from here open. Cancel, I don't want to use, and it will be visible in text plus. For text plus, come here, effect, in effect, come to title. Here you can see text plus. When you will work with text plus, here all the font will be visible. Once you have selected the font from your custom location on text plus, if you select text plus from here, and you can see here, now we have text plus. Or once come here, now your desired fonts will be visible here. This is the small features. If you use various fonts for your professional editing, then it will be very useful to you. This is a small change in cut page. Come to cut page here. You see we are in edit page. We come to cut page here. In cut page now we have audio mixer. You can see here we have no mixer here. We just play. So all the parameters. So you can see we have this mixture. This mixture was available only in edit page before the update. So you can see here we are in edit page and we have this mixture. Same mixture is available here. You can see here. So now we have audio mixture in cut page also. It's a very convenient because most of time we trim our video, bad parts of video in cut page only, and cut page is the heart of DaVinci Resolve. You will not find this cut page in any video editing software. This is available only in DaVinci Resolve, and here you can trim all the minute parts. It's a very good one. Major update in DaVinci Resolve is about IntelliScript. IntelliScript is the new concept in the field of video editing, and this is available only in DaVinci Resolve Studio version only. If you have Studio version, then you can use this. Let's see how it works here. Just come to any clip, just import clip. I have already imported clip here, and I just click on this clip, right click on your mouse and come here. You see AI tools here. In AI tools, just transcribe your clip first. Here you can see just transcribe, and now you can see we have transcribed the whole clip here. Now come here, you can see here this icon here, just click here to import. Now I want to import. I want to just name here obvious Intelli. I want to save on desktop. You can save anywhere. You can assign the location here, path here. I will assign the path of desktop here. Just click here. Okay, now we want to save, and remember that this transcribed file is saved in txt. Here you can see txt format. Okay, now save. Okay, now we can close here. So now we come to our desktop here. In desktop, here you can see here we have file here. Just we shift here, and now you can open in any notepad etc. Okay, I want to open in notepad. And now you can see here we have a script, the whole script. Now we can actually trim. For example, we don't need some part of the sentence, we can directly trim. It's very useful when you have long tutorial video or documentary video like me. If you don't use these features, you have to trim on timeline. It's a very good here. You can see now we can trim. For example, time code, we don't need time code. IntelliScript is so intelligent, it will just read your sentence and trim your video. For example, I want to just show you for demo. I want to trim this long sentence here. You see this, I don't want to keep this part. We can read here and we can delete some part. I want to delete this part. Okay, here. Okay, you can see we have deleted this part, and now we have only this part here. In the middle of sentence, I want to delete this part here. You can see here, this part I don't want to keep. Okay, now we have deleted this part too. Now we come here, want to delete this part. Now you can see here, I want to delete in the middle of sentences. I don't need some part of this sentence. For example, now let's come here. You see this sentence. I want to delete this because I automatically spoke this. I don't need in the video. So I will delete. Now you can see we have deleted this part. Now we come here, this part. I have deleted this part here. Time code you can keep, no problem. But I have deleted all this time code here. Okay, now you can see I want to keep only this part. I want to delete this in the middle of sentence here. You can see here. Now we have prepared our script here. Now we can save here. Okay, now Control S. Okay, we have saved the file and just we closed. Now we come to DaVinci Resolve here. We have this clip. We have transcribed this clip and we have edited. We have removed some parts of the video which we don't need. Now right click on the clip, and now you come here. You see here AI. In AI, just click here. You see here audio transcription. We don't need. We need this here. You can see here create new timeline using IntelliScript. Actually, this is the features, AI feature. So we just click here, and now you have to select the clip. So we have clip on our desktop here. You can see here, this is our clip, OBS Intelli. We just select this clip and open here. Now you can see here. Now you can see automatically DaVinci Resolve has trimmed all the bad part which we have trimmed in text file, and it has provided me the clip, and we don't need to trim the whole video on the timeline. So you can see this is actually the magic of this IntelliScript. Hello dear friend, if this video is useful to you, adds value to your life, don't forget to subscribe the channel dear friend. I am working hard, I am very much tired, demotivated dear friend. This year we have to achieve 1,000 subscribers. It's a very necessary for me to grow on YouTube dear friend. Spread this channel to the wider audiences on YouTube so that this video can be useful to your friends, and you can share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. This tutorial may be very useful to you, and you can visit our playlist there. The whole playlist of DaVinci Resolve tutorial is available. Go and learn and see and write in the comment box. Without wasting time, now let's see this feature. So you can see here, we have trimmed the bad part of the video. We have several cuts. We cut here, and this part. You can see here, we have cut this part here. Now let's see here, we deleted the part here. If this, it has so smartly trimmed our clips in several parts here where we have deleted in our notepad, and you can open even notepad here where we have a file here. Open with notepad. Now open DaVinci Resolve here. Now you can listen one by one. It's so perfectly working that I am so much amazed. Here you see one by one. I tried a lots of clips and it's really work. If you want to work on the long project, take the project and use this method of IntelliScript and trim the bad parts all, and then export to IntelliScript. Create timeline using IntelliScript, and you will get this result very soon. I don't need to do anything, and so fast I have edited my video here. You can see here all everywhere is a trim here. Customize appearance in a style we can. Okay dear friend, come here anytime. You can see here audio transcribe from here, and here just click here, create new timeline using IntelliScript. Try. Our next new feature is about import Blackmagic Cloud shared folders to media pool. Now using these features, you can directly import shared folders from Blackmagic shared folder to your media pool, and you can use this for video editing. This is very good for those people who work in collaboration and they are sitting in different corner of the world and they edit together. For those people, this is the really a good feature. I don't use these features, but I have access to Blackmagic Cloud service. So we come here for this service. Come to media pool first. Here you see I have some clips from our tutorial classes. Come here. Here you can see here this icon, Cloud, import Blackmagic Cloud folder. This is the new feature. Just click here, and you must have connected to Blackmagic Cloud folder. Once you have to create your login, password, etc. Sync only. Here you see sync proxy and used originals. Sync proxies only. There are two options. I use sync proxy and use originals. Here no folder selected, so we can select folder directory from here. You see Blackmagic. My account is here. You see connected here. Now go, just click here, go to Blackmagic Cloud service. Now we are in Blackmagic Cloud service here. Welcome to Blackmagic Cloud service. Just click here. Okay, if you have anything here, you can directly import to your media pool. Then you will understand how to work. So try use these features dear friend. No, I am in Ukraine. No, I don't know, because of the some problem here. I am not able to access directly here. You see unknown errors. Selecting Blackmagic Cloud plant is currently unavailable due to an unknown error. Because of this error, but I will get access very soon. Once I get access, I will use this feature. In your country, maybe it's working now. Try these features. If you have access to the Blackmagic Cloud service, you must use. Our next feature is AI dialogue matcher. This is the studio features, new AI features in DaVinci Resolve. This feature is useful for those peoples after post-production editings who has a good audio clip where the surrounding of audio is very good. There is no loudness, there is no noise, there is no noise in the background. Very clean audio in the clean surroundings. And you have other clips very bad noise, and if you want to edit, it's a very tough work. But here what we will do, you can see here we have this clip here. For example, I have this clip. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to use IntelliScript. So you can see here our audio is good. It was recorded in the good atmosphere, and the quality of sound is also good. So I want to apply this profile only to here. For example, here this is our clip. Here I have noise settings, all the parameters, all parts are very important. In here I have noise. So dear friend, I want to apply this profile of this clip to all these our three clips here. You can apply this profile to any clips if you have from different surroundings. So first you come here, click here, just click on this clip, and now come to clip here. You see here window here, DaVinci Resolve, file, edit, trim, timeline, clip here. Just click here, clip. In clip, just come here. You see clip is selected. Now we come here to clip direct here. In clip, you see AI tools. Here you see there are two options, voice convert. We have on the playlist how to convert voice. Go and see. But in this tutorial, we will cover this only. So come here, dialogue matcher. No, you see dialogue matcher, capture dialogue profile. So I want to capture the profile dialogue of this here only profile. Okay. Now come here, AI tools, capture. So you see very fast we have capture, because this clip is a small, so it has a very fast capture profile. Now we come here, we want to apply to these three clips. We just select three clips here. Okay, here. Now come here to clip again. In clip, come here to AI tool profile here, AI tools. You see apply. Now we have this option only, apply dialog profile, because we have already captured dialog profile. And now I will apply this to these 3-4 clips here. Just apply profile here, dialog profile. Now you see it has analyzed and very fast applied. Okay, now we can listen from here. We will go through all the settings, all the parameters. Now, how to use IntelliScript? We will go through all the settings, all the parameters. You can see here it has applied so fast here this profile of this audio to this. So this is the work of AI dialogue matcher. In the new update of DaVinci Resolve here, now we have optimized UI layout for vertical editing. Let's see how we can use this optimized UI layouts for vertical editing. First come here, this is our 4K video ultra UHD resolution. We just come here, you see here we can create this to directly vertical. I use my YouTube short like this. It's very convenient if you use DaVinci Resolve. You see portrait 1080 by 920. This is the YouTube short resolution. So you can see we have vertical resolution now. Once you have created vertical resolution here for YouTube short etc, Instagram short etc, come here, you see here. Actually this is the icon for our short layout. You see here now we have this layout here. So it's a very convenient. From here you can directly go anywhere. You can shift in your clip. It's like a small timeline for vertical resolution editings for YouTube short etc. Here you can see we have all feature like transform, crop, dynamic, zoom, fusion, overlay. Everything is available here, same like this. So this is very small features, very good for those people who create YouTube short. Most of times can shift from anywhere. From here you see I can shift here. You see I am shifting here to our timeline here. Here you see I just click here and I am shifting here. You see here anywhere you can shift here and you can play from here. If you want to return to default, just click here. You see here no, our vertical is here. You see, remember this here near DIM. Just click here. Now we have returned to here this size here. Anytime if you want to return to vertical resolution layout here, just come here. You see DIM is here. No, we have here. We just click here and now we can return here. So this is the very good handy feature, right dear friend. I use these features, very cool small features for content creator of YouTube short, Instagram shorts etc. Now we have custom sort of clip thumbnails in the media pool. Let's see how it works. If you have lots of clips, you want to customize according to yourself, you want to change the order, reposition clips, then it's a very good feature. It's a very small feature, but it's really helps a lot while you have lots of projects. For example, you see we have here 4 projects. Let's see how it works. You can see here 3 icon here. Just click here. You see here file name, reel name, duration type. According to this, you can certify your clips etc. But here we have custom now. You see here. When you custom, you can put clips anywhere. For example, now I can put here. You see. Now it's a snipping. I want to put this clip here. See how it's good. Now I want to keep this clip. I want to position this clip here in the middle. Here. I want to change position here. I want to put here. I want to put this here. So this is really it's you see it's a snapping. It has a snapping character. So this is really a handy feature if you have several lots of clip. For example, medias. You see I have several medias folder here. Now I want to use this feature. Come here. These 3 lines here and custom. Already I have custom selected. Now I can snap. I want to put this here. You see here. I want to put this image here, JPG. I want to take this JPG file here. When I have lots of projects on our timeline, there are lots of stock footage clips. It's very handy. I can remember here I have thumbnail here, I have JPG file is here. I will drag to our timeline here, so you can see it's so convenient. I want to put this to that side here you see here. I will put this here in the corner here. I can remember here I have this JPG file in the corner. I want to put to our timeline direct. At first I couldn't understand the importance of this feature, but later I came to know, explore, and I realized this is really a good feature. When you have lots of medias, then you will understand the importance, how it will help you. Now in the new update of DaVinci Resolve, you can split Photoshop PSD layers into individual timeline tracks. It's a very useful when you have Photoshop PSD files. You need to split if you want to add some gradient effects, some color effects, etc. It's a very useful. You can rasterize it in later. You can merge and you can use it for video editing. Now let's see how it works. Just come here, we move here, and now here we have Photoshop PSD file. We just drag to our timeline here. This is our file, mockup logo. And now we can split into several layers. This is the combination of raster and vector graphics, you see. So we come here and right click here on the logo. Come here, you see split PSD. Just here, you see split PSD layers in place. I want to split this. Okay, now you can see we have many layers. You see we have layer here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 layers. You see now we can split this into layers. It's a good feature in DaVinci Resolve. It's a game-changing feature. Now you can see we have split this logo into several parts. This is the PSD file. And now we can drag to our timeline here. You can separately, we can drag anywhere. You see, I have dragged here. I can increase the duration now very easily. For this clip, I want to make big duration here. I want to add like this. And you can customize according to your needs. And even you can change the color etc. For example, I want to change this color here. Come here to color page here. Okay, and now I want to give this some effect here. Just chroma bar I take. I can add this effect here. You see, like this effect. Now we have very different effect here. And we return here to our edit page. Here you see here mockup. I want to change this color here. Come here. Okay, now we can change color here. For example, I want to add some this effect here. You see here, you see like I'm changing color. You can see here like this color. You see the color is changing here. I want to add this color. Okay, now we return to edit page here, and now we can join all together timeline. This was here. Okay, you see here. In this way you can change. Try, dear friend, and explore. You can understand. You see we have changed this color here, and we can join together. Okay, here you can see. This way you can rasterize, you can change color etc. and merge together. This is the good features when you have lots of PSD file from Photoshop and you want to add this as a stock footage, stock clips, JPG file in DaVinci Resolve for editing. It will help you a lot. Hello dear friends, so we have gone through most of features. Now let's see the release notes. What's the new in this update? Now you can see release of DaVinci Resolve 20.1 here. Now let's see the main features in DaVinci Resolve 20.1. What's new in DaVinci Resolve 20.1? The following features have been added or updated. Key features: Apple version Pro, spatial and immersive video workflow workflows in Mac OS, direct monitoring of immersive content in Apple Vision Pro, support for Apple spatial audio format here. Cut and edit page. Let's see in cut in edit page. Improved easing behavior for multiple keyframing, more consistent easing for curves, keyframes, and inspector controls. Improved curve editor for active curves, ease, locked parameters, ability to adjust curves from the timeline, keyframes, and curve tray. Key parameters are now displayed beyond clip edit points. Ability to set a shortcut to switch between curves and keyframe views. These are the new feature. Now let's see main features in Fusion. You can read one by one. And Fusion here support for new immersive option in the viewer 360 views menu, support for new immersive pager tool, support for magic marks v2 in Fusion, support for catching deep composites to disk, option to downscale clip compositions to timeline resolution. These are main features. In color phase, improved color viewer shape area display selection, ability to switch timeline resolution on the fly from the color viewer, improved cache retention for copied version and timeline, improved magic mask retention for copied version timeline, and DCTL support for ACES 2.0 core. This is the Fairlight page, support for half speed timeline playback, action to enable focus mode using the W key, ability to record in 32-bit floating points, audio waveforms are now accurate when recording, clip context menu, action to regenerate waveforms profiles. These are the main features. Let's see now codec, support for Blackmagic Raw 5.0 SDK, faster decodes for URSA Scene 12K LF and URSA Scene 17K 65 clips, support for decoding and encoding web pace, 12-bit support and custom quality control of DNX, support for encoding H264 and H265 in MXFOP1A clips, support for decoding Samsung APW clips, improve native window H264 and H265 bitrate control, new deliver preset for Tencent video upload. These are the advanced features which have been added. You can see Resolve effects, new color tone diffuser, emulates light based lens filters, natural and strong split tone modes in film look creator, new split tone with additional controls, separate RGB slides and shimmer controls in the light rays, secondary glow ability to glow in atmosphere controls in light rays and glow, ability to regain skin smoothing areas in face refinement. These are the Resolve effects here. We have gone through most of the new features in DaVinci Resolve 20 series update. In this series there are 2 and 3 new improvements. This is for multi-text which I was waiting. Multi-text now includes new enhancements that make text formatting more intuitive and flexible. With your Fusion overlay enabled, you can now style text in the character level by simple highlighting single letter or word and changing its font color, other formattings without affecting the rest of the text block. This is the good features, and you can read here. Improved shape area, improved shape area control and addition of custom guides, rulers and snapping. The edit page now offers a built-in ruler to give you greater precision and control when aligning your layout. Located alongside the behavior guides, rulers guides can be accessed from the drop down menu. You can drag out guidelines directly from the ruler or right click on the ruler and enter a specific offset to place a guide. This works across text, text plus, multi-text and clips. So whether you are laying out lower thirds, aligning subtitles across multi-clips or organizing multiple graphics layer, you can maintain alignment and visual balance with ease. These are for multi-text and text plus. These are improvement here in keyframes here and features description for here. You can see Apple Pro immersive workflow. DaVinci Resolve Studio on Mac OS now supports Apple Vision Pro compatible spatial natural and immersive workflows. This includes the ability to organize, edit, and render content and effects for playback on the Apple Vision Pro, in-device monitoring of DaVinci Resolve viewers, and using Apple spatial audio workflows in Fairlight. So you can read one by one. These are the main new features, and there are some improvements in the new version of DaVinci Resolve 20.1. Hello dear friend, we have gone through most of the features of DaVinci Resolve 20 series update apply to your clip, dear friend, and write me in the comment box how is your experience after following this class and how you apply these new features to your clips for your productivity. Don't forget to write me in the comment box, dear friend, and write me which type of tutorial about DaVinci Resolve you want. You can go to my playlist and see there are lots of tutorials in detailed for beginners, intermediate, and advanced users about DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.